Thing.
Okay, who do you see in the book? Who's that? Is that my Aunt Nicole? And who else?
Car.
Nicole, and who else? Who's the other one? Who's that?
Car.
Nicole, my Aunt Nicole, and my Aunt Ann? There's Jakers, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, there's Jakers. Who's that?
Owen.
That's Owen, baby Owen, yeah. What did you do? You pooed on the sheet. You pooed on the blanket. Matantan? Where's Matantan? Did you find her?
Daddy.
Daddy? Yeah, Daddy went outside. Who's that? Who's that?
Sticker.
Jakers? Yeah, Jakers is in here. Who else? Who's that? Is that Uncle Cody?
Coy.
Cody. And Krista?
Yeah.
Krista. And Bradley?
Yeah.
Is that Bradley? Krista. Is that Bradley though? Is that Uncle Bradley?
Wait.
There's Uncle Bradley. And Uncle Cody. And Aunt Krista. Krista, yeah. Hey? Elmo, yeah, he's on the wall. Who's that? Is that Grandma?
Baby.
Yeah, that's baby Owen.
Look.
Who's that? Is that Mommy and Owen?
Oh.
Who else is in this book?
Tatan.
Matatan and who else? Matan Nicole?
Tatan.
Matatan, yeah, and who else? Owen's having a bath. Hey?